Hey guys, this is day 6 where I have started recording myself and putting it on the YouTube until I get fluent in English. This is day 6 where I'm going to talk about James Rohn's 1981 seminar in California, a clip of that seminar where he talks about how to get whatever you want. He first discussed three things. And this video is the best video I have watched today in the morning. It's 8 a.m. right now, and you should also watch this video. I will put link in the description. So let's start the video. The first three things he discussed in this video is how to get whatever you want. In for the first thing he discussed, first thing is ask the audience what is the first thing or first step to get something. Everyone says asking. Yes, he confirms that yes, it is right. Asking is the first step, and when you ask something from someone or anything, if your goals, whatever you want, when you ask someone, you start receiving. The second thing he explained is receiving is not the problem, but the failure to ask. Receiving is not the problem. Uh, Receiving is not the problem. Why it is not the problem? He stated in the third things where he discussed third step or third things, where he stated receiving is like the ocean. Receiving is like the ocean, where here is asking is what? Asking is about goal, what we want in life, what goal we want, what we want to be, what I want to be, what you want to be. This is here he's talking about goals of your life. So receiving is like the ocean, means the goals and opportunities are like ocean. There are lots of opportunities. You just need to get it, stand up and get whatever you want, choose whatever you want and get it. Where he gives best example I have ever heard is, if you want something, if someone wants something and go to the sea of opportunity with the tea of spoon, then we can see what he wants. He just want the tea. He will get the opportunities with that fits in tea of spoon. If you are going with a bucket, you will get that much opportunities and fulfill your goals. Okay, so this is a mindset you should have. Asking is not the problem, failure to ask is the problem. If you ask, you will receive. Whether later in the last few minutes he explained two steps to get whatever you want. The first is ask with intelligence. Ask intelligently. What this mean is, what does this mean? Asking intelligently is that be clear what you want, when you want, how much you want, where you want. Be clear. Ask with intelligently. And the second step is ask with faith, like children. When children ask from their parents, they keep asking for something. Like if they think, everyone know kids think if they are going to keep asking to their parents, they will get them. They will give them. They will get them. So this is how he said, plan things and goals like an adult. Note down it when you want, whenever you want, how much you want, and ask like child. Keep asking for it. Keep asking for it. Keep asking for it from yourself. That I want to do this. I want to do this. This is my goal. I want to be this in this future. This is what Jim Rohn tell about in that video. I will put that link in the description. You can watch that video. It's a very good video. If you want to watch whole seminar, you should watch whole seminar. It's a good video. Okay, this today let's end this video here. We'll meet tomorrow.